Welcome to Amunamiso TV. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. A report reportedly killing 3 people has crashed into Lake Malawi in the area of Senior Chief Mwadzama in Nkhotakota District. This incident marks yet another plane crash in the country, raising concerns about aviation safety. A local resident, Geoffrey Chikaonda, reported that a white woman survived the crash and was rushed to the hospital for the treatment. Meanwhile, a group of fishermen immediately set out to rescue the remaining passengers who were still trapped inside the submerged plane. As of now, the police have not yet commented on the situation, and further details about the crash remain unclear. Authorities and the locals alike are on high alert as they await updates on the rescue efforts and the cause of this tragic incident. Subscribe to our channel to stay informed as we bring you more details on this developing story and other breaking news from Malawi.